Natural gas is a key utility for many households and businesses to function. It powers everything from heating systems to stoves. However, as energy prices fluctuate and suppliers offer multiple plan ranges, it's easy to find yourself paying for more than is necessary. Whether you're noticing higher than usual bills or simply suspect something isn't quite right on your bill, it's important to stay vigilant about your natural gas usage and costs. In this video, we're going to walk you through 5 of the most common signs that may indicate you're overpaying for natural gas, and what you can do to take control of your energy expenses. Here at The Energy Professor, we want to give you the information that you need to not only save money on your energy bill, but to also become more energy efficient. We hope you find this video helpful and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Number 1. Unexplained bill increases. If your natural gas bill has increased significantly without a corresponding rise in usage or market rates, it could indicate that you're overpaying due to billing errors, hidden fees, or poorly negotiated contracts. Number 2. A lack of options. Businesses often stick with the same supplier without exploring alternatives. If you're not reviewing your contracts or renegotiating your terms, you could be missing out on better rates. Number 3. Variable pricing. Variable pricing ties your rates to the fluctuating market. While it may seem advantageous during a low market price, it can lead to overpayment during price spikes. Number 4. No energy audits. Without tracking your natural gas usage and costs, you may not notice inefficiencies or overcharges. Suppliers could charge for unused services or higher rates than negotiated. Number 5. Automatic renewals. Many people let contracts renew automatically without revisiting terms. Suppliers may take advantage of this by increasing rates or introducing less favorable terms without your knowledge. If you're finding this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the Energy Professor YouTube channel for more energy and money-saving videos like this. Now, let's break down each sign a little bit further. If you notice a sudden spike in your natural gas bill, start by breaking it down by historical comparison. Look at your bills over the last 12 months. Are the rates significantly higher, or has your usage changed? Verify the market rate. Compare the supplier's current rate with the average market rate in your area. Review the errors. Common errors include miscalculations, duplicate charges, or incorrect tariffs. So what should you do if you notice any of these discrepancies? Contact your supplier immediately to dispute these errors and request a revised bill. You should also consider switching suppliers if your billing issues persist. Staying with the same supplier for years without reviewing options can cost you. Here's how to ensure competitive pricing. Solicit bids regularly. Aim to get quotes from at least 3 suppliers annually. Understand hidden costs. Request a breakdown of rates and terms to compare apples to apples when pricing. Leverage negotiation power. Highlight your business's or home's usage volume to negotiate better rates or terms. You should establish a schedule for reviewing contracts and comparing suppliers. A little time invested can save you thousands. Variable pricing is also unpredictable. Here's how to take control. Evaluate your risk tolerance. If price stability is critical, avoid variable rates. Explore fixed and blended pricing. Fixed pricing locks in a rate, while blended pricing combines stability with market rate responsiveness. Analyze cost trends. Look at past market fluctuations to determine whether switching models could save you money. Work with your supplier to understand available pricing and choose one aligned with your business or home goals. Now, without proper monitoring, you may overlook ways to save on natural gas expensive. Here's what you can do. Schedule regular energy audits. Identify waste, inefficiencies, and overcharges. Audits can pinpoint actionable savings. Adopt monitoring tools. Install software or devices to track your usage in real time. Analyze and act. Use this data to optimize operations, negotiate better rates, or reduce unnecessary services. Consider working with an energy consultant who can analyze the data and suggest cost-saving strategies that are personal for you. And allowing contracts to renew without review can lead to higher rates or unfavorable conditions. Prevent this with these steps. Use a calendar or software to alert you well in advance of renewal deadlines. Review terms before renewing. Check for increased rates, added fees, or new terms that can harm your bottom line. Negotiate terms. Suppliers may be willing to adjust terms to retain your business, especially if you hint at switching providers. Always treat contract renewals as an opportunity to optimize your agreement. Take control by initiating discussions early. If you're looking for more ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching, happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.